Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Windows 11 without your Microsoft account on your Microsoft Surface 12 Pro. So first of all, we're gonna have to go through the first couple setup steps, like language selection, region selection screen. The only thing that matters is that the language that you select in your input has the Latin letters. That's the only condition of going through. So English will go, will do. I don't know what else. French, Spanish, whichever language that uses Latin letters. Then once you are here, once you are on the network connection page, you're gonna have to open up any Wi-Fi network that is secured with a password. Click connect next to it, just in order to open up the password field. Then you have to tap on the password field, and we don't have to enter the password. Now, if you have already entered it, you either have to turn off the router you are connected to, or just leave the area and go to some place where your Wi-Fi signal is unreachable. After that, you have to press the F10 button to open the function keys, then hold down the left shift and F10 buttons together, and then in the CMD window that has opened up, you're gonna have to enter the following command: OOBE, then backslash, then bypass NRO. Then press enter and wait until your tablet is restarted. Okay, after the restart, we're gonna have to select the country or region. So let's do that. Click yes, then select the right keyboard layout that you want to use in the future. Click yes. Then if you want to add in another layout, you can click add layout and go with another layout. Otherwise, just skip this step by clicking skip. And after that, you're gonna have to tap I don't have internet right here instead of connecting to one. You're gonna have to review and accept the license agreement to go further, and then enter your username. Tap next, and if you want to, you can create a password for yourself, but you don't have to. Then click next once again. Then choose privacy settings for your device. So we have location, find my device, location for getting you location-based experiences like directions, weather, news, etc. Find my device to let you find your tablet easily in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data for Microsoft's research of what you do on their devices. Ink and typing for research of your keyboard usage and touchpad usage or touchscreen usage, for language recognition improvement, and tailored experiences, which is basically personalized ads. Then tap add once you have untoggled all the features that you don't want, and then you just have to wait a moment until the setup is completely finished. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.